Hello my dear children, welcome back to the computer class. In the previous class we studied about how to start an Excel window, how to open the saved file, how to save file, all these things we studied in the previous class. So today we are going to study more about MS Excel. Okay, so first topic is selecting cells and modifying cell contents. So what is this cell? The intersection of rows and columns, that is called a cell. So selecting cells, how to select cells and how to modify the contents of the cell. So the method of selection of data in MS Excel depends on the range of cells. So what is range of cells? When we select the adjacent cells, that is called the range of cells. So this selection of data, it depends on the range of cells that is to be selected. The selected portion is enclosed within a thick black border. So when we select a range of cells, that will be displayed with a thick black border. So we can easily identify which all cells we had selected. That range of cells we can easily identify by seeing this thick black border. Then to select a single cell, so if we need to just select only a particular cell, only one cell, then you just click on that cell. That will be selected. Then if you want to select an entire row or column, click on the corresponding row heading or column heading. So which is row? In the left side you can see numbers 1, 2, 3, and at the top you can see A, B, C, D. So this letters that you see at the top of this Excel window, that is the column headings, and this 1, 2, 3 that you can see the left side of the Excel window, there are row headings. So if you want to select an entire row, click on that row heading. If you want to select the third row, click on 3. If you want to select the column D, then click on D. That entire column will be selected. Then to select non-adjacent cells. So if you want to select first cell, then after 2-3 columns you want to select another cell. So in that case, keep the control button pressed and click on the cell. So if you want to select non-adjacent cells, first click on the cell that you want to select, then press the control button, then click on another cell that you want to select. So after completing the selection, you have to till you complete the selection, you have to press the control button. So like that you can select non-adjacent cells. Then select adjacent ranges of selects. To select non-adjacent ranges of cells. So first here we discussed non-adjacent cells. Here non-adjacent ranges of cells. So if you want to select one range of cell, then again you want to select another range of cells. In that case, you select the first range, then select the other range while pressing the control key. So first you select one range of cells, then press the control button, then select another range of cell. Then to select the entire worksheet, so if you want to select the entire worksheet, click the select all button, or you can select you can use control plus A. By pressing the control key, press A also. Then next one, to autofill the same content in the adjacent cells. So if you want to give a name, or so you are giving something, or your school name, it's same for all the students. So this is same for all the cells. So you can give the name or a number here, then just click and drag the mouse. That will be copied to all the cells. No need to type it again and again, or no need to use copy paste. Just type once in the first cell, then click and drag the mouse. That will be copied to all the cells till you want to copy the data, then release the mouse. Then sometimes when you want to write serial numbers, so you are writing the names of some students, so no need to type the serial numbers 1, 2, 3 in that order. So if you want to create a serial number, first you type 1 in the first column, then you type 2 in the second column, then select these two columns, then click and drag the mouse. That will create a series of numbers. So in the case if you want to give dates, in that case also give data for the first two cells, then click and drag the mouse, that series will be created. Then to edit the cell contents, either simply overwrite on the content in the cell or in the content visible in the formula bar. So just click on that cell, then you just type it, or you can type it in the formula bar. The next one, deleting cell contents. If you want to delete cell contents, select the cell or the range of cells to be deleted. Then right click and select clear contents from the menu that appears. So either you can select the cell or range of cells, then just press the delete key, or you can right click and select clear contents from the menu. Then containing text in a single cell. So when the text is too long to fit in a cell, so you can see these cells are small and you want to display some long text. So in that case, Excel provides two features. One is wrap text and another one is merge and center. So wrap text means it allows us to fit the content within the same cell by displaying it in multiple lines. So here you can see, so this is the text and it's a long text, and if you want to display it in a single cell, you can use this wrap text option. So it displays data in the single cell by using multiple lines. So this becomes big, this row becomes, the row size becomes big. That is wrap text. Then to use this feature, select the cell and click on wrap text in the alignment group under the home tab. Then next one, merge and center feature. So sometimes you are entering marks of your class. So class 5 lilies or class 5 roses, that is the heading, and your class teacher entering the marks of students for each exam, that is PT1, PT2, half yearly, like that, they are entering the marks. So this class 5 lilies or 5 roses, that is the heading. So this can be displayed not in a single cell. So here name of the student, PT1, PT2, half yearly. So this much cells, columns are there. So this I can combine these four and I can display the name of your class by using the option merge and center. It can be used to merge a cell containing long text with one or more adjacent cells to form one large cell. The text is then placed at the center of the merged cells. So when you use this merge and center option, this will merge all these cells that we had selected, and this text will be displayed at the center of that cells. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cells are merged together and the text is displayed in the middle of that cell. The next is formatting text and numbers in Excel. The font group under the home tab contains options for formatting text. So for this formatting includes we can change the font style, size, color, background color, border style, all these things we can change here using this formatting option. Then formatting numbers. So if you want to display numbers, if you want to display, you are entering money for something. So to identify it's we are entering the data, that is money, we can use a dollar symbol before the number, or if you want to and if you want to display marks, percentage of your marks, at the end of this you need to display this percentage symbol. So like that we can format numbers. Then if you want to display the number of decimal places, all these are possible using this formatting numbers. These options are located in the number group under the home tab. Then this number group gives a drop down list with various options. Here the values in the cells can be displayed as percentage, fraction, as a date or time, etc. The percentage style button changes the number to its percentage form. So when you use this percentage button, it changes the number to its percentage form. Then the comma button adds comma separating the thousands in the number. If you are entering a large number, it puts commas by separating thousands in the number. Then next one is exiting MS Excel 2006. So in the previous class we had seen how to open an Excel, how to start an Excel window, how to save files, how to open an already saved file. Now how to exit from MS Excel window. To exit the MS Excel application, click on the cross button located at the top right corner of the application window, or click on the file tab, then select the close option. Now let us see all these options in an Excel window. So this is an Excel window. Then if you want to select a particular cell, just click on that cell. So here you can see a thick border in that cell. So when I click on this cell is selected. So we can easily identify. Then if you want to select a range of cells, just click and drag the mouse. See, here you can see this much portion I had selected. So this is the range of cells. Okay. Then if you want to select the entire worksheet, we can use Control A. So when you press this Control A, the entire worksheet is selected. Then next one is autofill. So if you want to display the same data, so here I want to display name. So here I typed name here. So I want to copy the same here in this cells. So just click and drag the mouse downwards. So this will be copied in all the cells. So after copying till where you want to copy this, then release the mouse. Okay. So like this we can copy, or we can create a series here. We can use this, this is autofill option. Then if you want to create a series, so here I typed you want to give numbers. So in the first cell I typed 1, then in the second cell I typed number 2. Then I want to create a series of this. So for that, first select these two, then click and drag the mouse. So this will create a series. Then I am writing this names of the week. So first Monday, then in the second column Tuesday. Then I want to create the days. So first select the first two cells, then click and drag the mouse downwards. So this will create a series: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, again Saturday, Sunday, then again it starts from Monday onwards. Okay, so like that it creates a series. So for month, year, for all these things we can use this series. Then if you want to edit edit some data, just click here, then you can type. Just type it here. So that will be edited here. Or you can use, or from here, click here in the formula bar, delete the content, then type the new text. Okay, so like this we can edit the contents of cell. Then how can we delete cells? So if you want to select a range of cells, select the range of cells, or I am selecting this range of cell. The second way is right click, then here you can use clear. That will be cleared. Okay, so like this we can delete the cell contents. Then containing text in a single cell. So wrap text. So I am typing here. This is a sample text. So I typed here, this is a sample text, and I want to display this in a single cell. So for that, select this, then use this option, wrap text. So now it increased the width of that row, and it included that text in the same cell. Okay, then next one is so here the cells PT1, PT2 half yearly, but here the heading class 5 lilies, it is in the left, in the first column. So I want to merge these cells. So for that, select the number of cells that is to be merged. So I had selected the cells for first, second and third cells. Then click on this merge and center. Now all these three cells merge together, and this heading that is displayed at the center of that cell. Okay, so that is merge and center option. Then next is formatting text and numbers. So here you can use this option, all these options. You can change the color of the text, you can change the size, you can increase the size of, all these things you can do here in under the home tab. So here one font group is there. From there you can change the font styles, font color, background color, all these things you can change. Then number formatting. So if you want to display something in a percentage format, this I want to display in percentage, PT1 98%, PT2 85%. So I want to display this in percentage format. So here one option is there, number group. So here you can see percentage, or you can click on this option, then you can see here general, number. By default it is in general format. Then number, currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, fraction, some options are there. So select this option percentage, then click OK. See here you can see the data that is given in percentage. Then when you use this percentage option, here you can set the number of decimal places. Now I have given a number of decimal places 1, then click OK. Then if you want to display in date format, so I am entering a date here, I typed it here. Then you can use from here, you can use this option date, then select any one option from here in which format you want to display, then click OK. Now it is displayed like this. Okay. Then currency, if you are entering a value, I'd enter a number here, and it is in rupees. So if you want to display this in rupees, just click on this option, select the option currency, then select which currency format you want to display, then number of decimal places also you can choose, then click OK. That will be displayed like this. Okay, so this is number formatting. The next is how to exit from this Excel window. So either you can click on this cross button, or you can use this option file, click on this button. Then if you want to save changes, save it either, otherwise don't save. That will be, this Excel window will be closed. Okay, so today's portion is over. We will see you in the interactive session. Thank you.